So coming up next, we have Dr. Sarisa Napampet, and she's the committee member and admission coordinator for our next program. And our next program, she's going to talk about the microbiology and microbial technology. So Dr. Sarisa, take it away.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm glad to be here to introduce you about our program, Microbiology and Microbial Technology. I'm Dr. Sarisa Napampet, a committee member and also admission coordinator of the program. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave your message in our chat box Q&A. We have Associate Professor Dr. Wanchai Aswalapskun. He is the secretary of our program and he will answer all your questions. Okay. Department of Microbiology, Faculty of Science is a home for our program, Microbiology and Microbial Technology. As you can see in the picture, we have a lot of people in our department. And currently, we have Thai students and also we have international students from Indonesia, Bangladesh. And normally, we always have exchange students from Japan, the US, and European countries. But maybe not during this COVID pandemic. But our students also have an opportunity to study abroad, to do the research abroad too. Let's talk about our graduate program. We are offering both master degree and PhD. And in 2018, both master degree and PhD were revised into English program, and now we have international students in our program too. All students in our program are required to do their research, and because as you know, microbiology is the study of very tiny living organisms, and even they are tiny, they have an impact in many areas. So in our program, we have many areas. So we have 4 major areas. The first one is food and agriculture. Second is industry. And next is health and medicine. And the last one is environment. Okay, I will, as you can see on the list, we have an example of the research topic that we have in our department. I may not have enough time to talk for all in detail, but I will give you an example. First one, food and agricultural microbiology. We have the development of the rapid detection kit to detect the foodborne pathogen, and we have the use of microorganisms for biocontrol. For the industrial microbiology, here again, you can see the list that we have in our program. The example is the optimization process for the production of biodegradable polymer. Next one, we have medical microbiology. This one, we have many kinds of research. Example is the searching for bioactive molecule for the treatment of Alzheimer's. And we have the study of microbiome in gut. For environmental microbiology, we have the biodegradable plastic and the omic analysis for biodegradation pathway. So if you are interested in any research topic in our program, you are welcome to join us. And let me talk a little bit about the admission track for our program. Basically, our program, we have both regular track and special track. So they are different in terms of the process and the requirement. For the requirement, you can look at our website, www.micro.sc.ur.ac.th for more detail. But let me explain about the process. For basically special track, you contact any professor or faculty member that you are interested in their research first, and then if they accept you as a potential student, you can apply online. You can do online application on the graduate school website. Here on the right hand side, you see the QR code of the graduate school website, our admission application all processed on the graduate school website. But for the regular track, you have to apply online first, and then we will have the list of the research topic and the advisor, and you choose the research topic from the list, and then you interview with the faculty member that you pick that research. Okay, so for the admission to master degree, as you can see, we have thesis only and thesis and coursework. So basically, the requirements for admission, they are different. For the thesis only, you have to graduate in microbiology with minimum GPA 3.6 in full-scale grading. And all of application, you have to submit your English score. For the study plan for thesis and coursework, you can see that you have to register for thesis and coursework. You have to register some core courses and some elective courses. But thesis only, you also have to register some core courses too, but without credit. For PhD admission, again, we have dissertation only and dissertation and coursework. And we are accepting applicants from both bachelor degree holder and master degree holder. But the requirement is different. If you graduate with a bachelor degree, you have to graduate with first class honor. But for master degree, you have to have the minimum GPA 3.5 from full-scale score grading. And you have to submit English score too. Oh, again, I forgot to mention that you can see the code, the code number after in study plan. This code is for when you're searching for the online application, you use this number. For example, 3535 for the dissertation only for master degree holder. You search this on the graduate school website and to do online application. Okay, for the study plan, as you can see, for all of our study plan, you have to do the dissertation and you have to register for a doctoral seminar. But for the dissertation and coursework, you have to do some core courses and some elective courses. Okay, sorry. Okay, so come to the important part about the scholarship. So for international students, we encourage you to apply for ASEAN and non-ASEAN scholarship, because with this scholarship you can get the airplane ticket, the tuition fee, and monthly stipend and accommodation. And if you get the scholarship for master degree, you get 2-year scholarship. For PhD, you get 3-year scholarship. And another important thing I should mention is the applications, the admission application and the scholarship application, they are separated. That means, firstly, you have to get admitted into our program first. You have to do that online admission. You have to have an advisor accept you as a student. And then you can apply for the scholarship. So for applying the scholarship, you have to send all application form and all document to our secretary of the program, Associate Professor Dr. Wanchai. Here you can see his email. And another important thing, for our program, we have the deadline for the scholarship submission. So the first round has already passed. So we still have the second round and the third round on April 2nd and May 17th. So all the things that I am talking today, you can find more information in our website, www.micro.ac.jula.ac.th. And if you have any question about the admission, you can email me. Here is my email, sarisa.n@jula.ac.th. Thank you. And hope you are interested in our program and hope to see you all.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sarisa. Yes, we do, and we are interested in your program. And don't forget, if you're interested in this wonderful program, go check out the website. Or if you still have some questions, please do so. You can just type the program names and then ask the questions, because now we have our professors here to answer your question. Thank you very much, Dr. Sarisa. ขอบคุณครับ